How you doing, guys? We're gonna play a little game. We're gonna play a little game of 3-card Monty. Who feels like gambling? Now, obviously, this is me, so it's not gonna be usual Monty. No, no, no. This is gonna be spooky Monty. It's gonna be very spooky. It's gonna be spooky, but spooky's not quite enough. No, no. What we want is scary. We want to play scary Monty. We're gonna take the scary, and we're gonna put it right at the back of the deck. Now, that wasn't very fast. You probably caught that, but the thing is, the scary's not at the bottom of the deck. The spooky is. Now, you probably think I've pulled a fast one. I've actually left the scary on top of the deck, but the scary's not on top of the deck. It's spooky on top of the deck too. So the top is spooky and the bottom is spooky, when the middle must be scary, but the middle's spooky too. Now, at this point, you're probably thinking I'm cheating. I've got 3 spookies and no scary, but the fact is, that's scary, and that's scary, and that's scary. I've got a whole lot of scary going on. I've got spooky, I've got scary, I've got everything. But what I really want to tell you is, no matter how spooky something is, no matter how scary something is, you got to remember that I'm bleeding deadly.